If your Rogers eSIM is locked, meaning you can't remove it, switch carriers, or reprovision it, there are several initial steps to take. First, understand why eSIMs lock. It's often due to activation errors, carrier policies, or software glitches. As of late 2025, Rogers has improved its online portal and app for eSIM management. Before proceeding, back up your device to prevent data loss. Then, use the Rogers app or website to see if you can unlock or remove the eSIM remotely. If that doesn't work, contact Rogers support directly via the app or by calling 1-800-ROGERS-1. Provide your IMEI and explain the issue. They may guide you through specific steps or provide an unlock code. If the eSIM is stuck in a pending state after a carrier switch, this often requires direct intervention from Rogers support. The CRTC mandates Rogers to unlock eSIMs within 48 hours of request, so ensure you reference this if they are delayed. If basic troubleshooting fails, try a network reset. On an iPhone, go to Settings, then General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. For Android devices, the process is similar. Access the reset options in Settings to clear network configurations. After resetting, attempt to reinstall the eSIM using a QR code from Rogers or their online portal. For carrier unlocking to switch to another provider like Bell or Telus, Rogers must provide an unlock code if your device and plan are eligible. This is different from a device unlock, which frees the phone for use on any global carrier. Looking ahead, eSIM management is becoming more automated, with AI-driven support resolving more issues. The GSMA is working towards global standardization. Keep your device firmware updated, as Rogers eSIM provisioning is optimized with iOS updates like 18.3. While eSIMs are becoming more user-friendly, stay informed and use official channels to avoid complications. Be aware of emerging cybersecurity risks like eSIM hacking.